everyone, it's me Norie, and today I'm going to be showing you what I got from the after Christmas sales that were going on. I hope you guys had an amazing Christmas. Also guys, here are how my bangs are doing. I like to just put it on the side. So I just went to a bunch of stores. I went on the 26th right after Christmas. It was insanity. There was just so many people. So I didn't get everything I wanted because the lines were so long and I had no patience. So yeah, but let me just start off with Bath and Body Works. They're obviously having their semi-annual sale, so I got some stuff. So the first thing I got was this body scrub, the Marshmallow Pumpkin Latte. I don't even know what it smells like. I just got it on a whim. I really like that they actually have this because like everyone just like opens it and then just like uses it and then throws it back in. Anyways, so the next thing I got was this Vanilla Bean Noel Whipped Shimmer Body Cream with shea butter. It's like a lotion, but it comes out like a whipped cream. It's so weird. Check it out. Oh, look at it. It's like a frosting. My skin is so dry. Oh my god, it feels so weird. It feels so thick and just like frosting. It's so thick. She's thick. Anyways, and then I also got this, which is the Winter Candy Apple Wallflower. These were like $3 for all the wallflowers, but this was originally $16.50. And then this one was originally $14.50, and this is the Coconut Mint Drop. That's all I got, but I really want to go back and get body washes, hand soaps, like the foamy ones, and more lotion. I need to go back into the war zone, but yeah. So next I went to Harry and David. They were only open seasonally, so only the holiday time. So I just got this Moose Munch popcorn. They were having like 50% off. So yeah, I haven't tried it yet. And then I got this chocolatey Santa. I hate the ones with like crisps in it. I thought it was just solid chocolate, but yeah, I don't really like the crisp. It tastes like cheap chocolate. And then next is from Sugarfina. Their baggies are so freaking adorable. I'm sorry it's so washed out. The lighting is so bad. Oh, there we go. So at Sugarfina, they were doing like buy one, get one. So first I got the candy cane caramels. I've already eaten a lot of it. I tried to keep it. It's too hard. It's too good. I can't stop myself. So good. Next is sugar cookies, and these are usually like $8.50 for this little tiny box. And then this one is the Jamaican Rum Snowball. I haven't tried this one yet. Let me try it right now. They literally look like snowballs. Look how cute that is. Adorable. Tastes like coffee. Not that bad. So sweet. And then reindeer noses. We just ripped off Rudolph's nose. So yeah, that's what I got from Sugarfina. And then today I just got back. I went to Target. They were only doing 30% off, which was lame, but yeah, some things were 50% off, but mostly only 30% off. So I didn't really get anything, and everything was so picked over because I think everyone just like bombarded the place on the 26th. This is completely unrelated to the sale or holidays, but this was from the little boy section. Here it is. It's like this car thing, like vintage car. And it's so soft. It's extremely soft. It's amazingly soft. And this was on sale, so I got it. And, oh, so cute. Ew, that was so gross. And then we went to Walmart, which was like across the street from Target. And they were doing 50% off their Christmas sales, or Christmas stuff. So the first thing was this 36 peel and stick glitter gift tags. Because, you know, 2 of the 50 clear mini lights. I want to put one around the fireplace, which sounds really dangerous, but it's gonna be fine, guys. If it lights on fire, it lights on fire. And then this one, I want to put it on the back because look how creepy and dark the back is. I want to make it cutesy and all Tumblr. I got 2 placemats, or whatever those are called. Look how adorable these are. I feel like this works for just winter in general, not just Christmas. We got this Star Show slideshow. I don't know. And this one looks legit. Look at it. It has so many different options. So it's 12 slides, so you can use it for like Christmas, Halloween, Easter, birthdays. This was like originally 40 bucks, but it was half off, so that's awesome. My room is so incredibly messy. I want to show you guys. So yeah, it's like a complete mess. This is a suitcase from when I went to Japan like so many months ago. And then all these like shopping bags, and then like just all the stuff that I just showed you. Also, this was before Christmas, but from Pink, I just got 2 of these body mists. I got the Cool and Bright and the Star Petals. I still haven't tried them. I don't know what they smell like, but I'm sure they smell great. And then I also got these boots. I got these giant boots that remind me of like Unif, but yeah, they just zip up. They're so clunky. My feet look ginormous in them, but it's fine. And then I also got another pair of boots that have like clear heels. Oh my god, that actually hurts. This could be a weapon. It's New Year's Eve now, so it's been a few days since the last clip, but I went to the mall again and everything was kind of different again. Like all the sales were better, so I got some stuff. So first place I want to show you is Bath and Body Works. Yeah, their stuff had like all changed, the sale stuff. So the stuff that was like 50% off before was 75% off. The first one I got was the Winter Gentle Foaming Hand Soap with Shea Extract, which will be nice because my hand won't be all crusty and dry. This one smells really good. Like, it smells like pine, but not like super strong that it makes your stomach hurt like all the other Bath and Body Works stuff. Also, that shelf that I DIY'd is falling apart. Anyway, next I got Island Papaya. This is so good. It smells so nice. This one smells so good. It's just, my mouth just waters. It smells so delicious, just papaya. And then next I got this Pop the Top Watermelon Lemonade. And this is just like a summery scent. Oh my gosh, that is so sweet. Like literally, I'm like drooling right now. Oh, the light looks weird right now. Next, I got the Sweet Cinnamon Pumpkin Hand Wash, and it says, never met a pumpkin I didn't like, which I don't know what that means. This one smells really autumnal and like cinnamony. Those were $3.50 each, which was amazing. And then I went to Harry and David again, and we got a bunch of stuff because they were having 75% off, which was crazy. Except for the pears, but it's fine. These pears weren't 75% off, but these are so nice. These are the I forget, the Royal Rivera or whatever. Oh my god, that light is annoying. I'm gonna scoot over here. I'm off center. It's fine, guys. And this smells super good. I don't like pears that much, but these ones are really good. It's so ready to eat. Like, there's gold foil on that one. I got 2 advent calendars, chocolate advent calendars, because, you know, I love chocolate, and here they look like just foil. And then I got this milk chocolate Christmas tree. I love solid milk chocolate. So I went back and got another one, but I have no self-control, so as you can see, it's already pretty eaten. I was already biting into it as I was leaving the store, but I was eating it at the top and the bottom because I wanted to show you its face. How is that a snowman? That is a human being. That is so creepy. That face looks like a newborn child. Anyway. That's some solid chocolate. So, Happy New Year, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. I also want to shout out Momo Kitahara, who is a fellow Japanese girl, and she's always liking my photos on Instagram and follows me, and it's just super, super nice. So, yeah. Make sure to leave a like if you liked it, comment down below, and make sure to subscribe because I post weekly, and I'll see you in the new year. Oh, it's already the new year when I post this, but yay, 2018. Woo!